NEARITY 360 Alien 4K video conference camera review, honest AI and real meeting results.
You know that moment when the remote team says they can only see 2 people, even though 8 are in the room? I watched a senior manager wave awkwardly at a camera that clearly wasn't capturing her, mid-presentation. Completely avoidable, completely frustrating. Conference cameras should solve that problem, not create it. Have you been there too? Drop a comment.
There's a real not-in-stomach feeling when important clients join remotely and you know your setup looks amateur. You try repositioning the camera, boosting the mic volume, adjusting the angle. Nothing fixes the fundamental problem. The room is large, the camera is limited, the audio cuts in and out. But what if the room itself stopped being the obstacle?
Don't just pick any conference webcam. Make sure it has a true multi-lens 360-degree array so you never suffer the invisible participant problem that ruins hybrid meetings again. Then I found the NEARITY 360 Alien 4K video conference camera, and the difference was immediate. 4 Sony sensor lenses stitched together seamlessly into a real 4K panoramic view with zero fisheye warping. Every seat at the table becomes visible, equally and clearly. 3 AI modes handle the rest automatically. Discussion mode switches focus to whoever is speaking without you touching anything. Global mode keeps the full room visible for team check-ins. Presentation mode locks onto one presenter and follows their movement naturally. The 6 noise-canceling microphones with proper clean technology capture voices up to 10 meters away, filtering out keyboard clicks, chair shuffles, and HVAC hum cleanly. Let me be honest, I was skeptical about plug-and-play claims until this camera was live inside 60 seconds with 0 driver installation on Teams. An IT manager deploying this across a 12-person boardroom told me remote staff immediately said meetings finally felt inclusive. That reaction matters. More proof is coming next. After consistent daily use, the NEARITY 360 Alien 4K video conference camera stops feeling like technology and starts feeling like infrastructure. Meetings flow naturally. Remote participants stop asking who is speaking. Presenters move freely without thinking about camera angles. That calm confidence compounds across every call. A tech reviewer who tested it against competing 360-degree units noted that the 4-lens Sony stitching produces noticeably sharper edges compared to single-lens fisheye competitors, with speaker switching in discussion mode described as faster and more accurate than expected. An AV specialist described it as a genuine benchmark shift for mid-sized conference room solutions. One analyst covering hybrid collaboration tools noted growing enterprise demand for AI-driven auto-framing cameras precisely because manual camera adjustment creates friction that erodes meeting quality over time. A real user managing a hybrid boardroom shared that remote team members began actively commenting on improved visibility within the first week of deployment. Now, the price sits at a professional-grade level, which is a fair concern. But consider replacing a separate webcam, speakerphone, and microphone array with one plug-and-play device. The consolidation alone changes the value calculation significantly. Worth noting, coverage beyond 16 meters may still need supplemental audio support, so matching the setup to your room size matters. What would cleaner meetings actually be worth to your team? The NEARITY 360 Alien 4K video conference camera turns one of the most persistent hybrid meeting frustrations into a non-issue. Thousands of professionals and IT teams are already using 360-degree AI conferencing cameras to make remote participants feel genuinely present rather than tolerated. Results may vary depending on room size and layout. If your meetings deserve that level of clarity and inclusion, the affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment below. Come see what a properly equipped room actually feels like.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.